Welcome, Soul Family. Welcome to your sacred sanctuary for holistic healing. This is a space where modern wellness meets ancient wisdom, where healing flows not just through the body, but through the soul. Here, we embrace energy, frequency, and intuitive alignment as guides on our journey to wholeness. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the sacred frequency of 528 Hz, which is called the miracle tone, revered for its transformative energy. The vibration is said to resonate with the frequency of love, restore spiritual harmony, and awaken the inner light that dwells within us. Dear friends, we are electromagnetic beings. We are light and not just matter. And we operate in lower dense vibration to have a human experience, to feel through our senses when we incarnate on Earth. Originally, we are light beings in human bodies. The body is composed of 70% water and the cell is at 90% water. Water has consciousness and can store memories from our past experiences, belief systems, childhood traumas, inner child wounds, our ancestors' past lives through galaxies and galactic star seeds. All the negative experiences and emotional traumas can dim our light and the colors of the chakras, disconnecting us from our origin, our higher self, the universe, the source, from God, whatever you believe in. And scientists and researchers, discovered that we can communicate with water, and water has consciousness. And there are for example, Veda Austin. She is, she uses some modalities, freezing modalities, to communicate with water, asking water questions, and I use this experiment as well. It's fascinating. Therefore, whatever we say and how we talk to ourselves and others creates energy frequencies that are stored in the body, and we perceive it to be true. And why now we know why, because water stores all the memories. When we pray also and listen to our voice, we can heal ourselves with verses and positive affirmations. Research suggests that, like other solfeggio frequencies, the use of 528 Hz is effective in healing physical, generational, and emotional trauma in our DNA. So, as you see here, the frequency 528 Hz relates to our solar plexus, and when we are exposed to this frequency, this enhances the harmony, creates homeostasis in the body, and repairs the DNA. Through that experiment, included other solfeggio frequencies. So 528 hertz had the ability to influence DNA on its own, as its effect on water helps heal the DNA helix. So in the book The Fork in the Road, biochemist Steve Chemsky stated that the six-sided clear clusters that support the DNA double helix vibrates at a specific resonant frequency, which is 528 hertz. The DNA helix referred to the double helix structure, which looks like a twisted ladder, that was discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953, with crucial contributions from others as well. Also, the late Dr. Candace Pert, an American neuroscientist and pharmacologist who discovered the opiate receptor and the cellular binding site for endorphins in the brain, said that the energies and vibrations of these frequencies affect us on a cellular level, opening our chromosomes and exposing the DNA. Everywhere we turn in nature, we find the frequency 528 hertz. Chlorophyll, which helps plants draw energy from light and gives them their green color, vibrates at 528 hertz. The bees that pollinate the flowers buzz around 528 hertz. The rainbow that completes this beautiful scene holds 528 Hz at its heart, as it refracts the same greenish yellow light found in chlorophyll. Dr. Horowitz mentioned that grass is green with love, vibrating at 528 Hz. That's why chlorophyll is the most powerful healing pigment in biology. And the air we breathe, the prana of life, they call it, or the chi in Oriental medicine, is filled with the holy aloha spirit of love. It vibrates in 528 hertz, sending spiritual signals for sustenance through the blood, restoring and invigorating every strand of DNA and every cell in our body. Sun rays that touch our face vibrates at 528 hertz. That's why it's important to be in nature, to enjoy the sun, and to we know that it's important to be in nature, but we don't know the scientific explanation why this is important, right? And and walk barefooted on the grass because this is grounding and this is vibrating at 528 hertz, which is aligning our solar plexus and making us whole again. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the difference between 528 hertz and 444 hertz. So stay tuned for that. If you like the content, so share your comments and thank you for watching.